Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put on the right. Later that I will put the x go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, we apply the formula in here. So, the integration of s squared. So we put number 2 gone here and we have number 3 in here. Number 2, that is about the constant. So we just put about s. This one we just put about y. Number 6 divided by number 3. So we have number 2. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 6. So I will put number 1 and number 6 gone here. So we put the numbers go to the left, so we have the negative side. So this one c equals to number 2. And I will put number 2 gone here. So we can do about factorization by number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.